Amazon's legal battle. Are they really misleading Prime subscribers? As we grapple with the complexities of subscription services today, a controversial legal showdown is about to unfold in Seattle. A major case against Amazon, one of the world's largest companies, accuses the e-commerce giant of misleading its Prime members. The U.S. Federal Trade Commission, FTC, is poised to argue that Amazon unlawfully enrolled millions of customers in its Prime service without their explicit consent, and made it unnecessarily difficult for them to cancel. This is a critical moment that could reshape how companies approach subscription models in a digital age. On September 23, 2025, a trial will commence that could have significant implications, not just for Amazon, but for how all tech companies handle consumer consent. The FTC asserts that Amazon's practices violate consumer protection laws, shining a light on the ongoing debate over whether corporations are prioritizing profit at the expense of transparency and user rights. Amazon, on the contrary, staunchly defends itself, arguing that its terms of service are clearly presented and that customers have various straightforward methods for canceling their subscriptions. The stakes are high. If found guilty, Amazon could face financial repercussions totaling in the hundreds of millions of dollars, along with potential fines that could reach $53,000 for each infraction. This case is a part of a larger bipartisan effort to tackle what the FTC labels deceptive practices in the realm of subscription services. Interestingly, the investigation into Amazon's subscription patterns began during the Trump administration, with the formal case being brought forth under President Biden's tenure. The FTC has recently escalated its scrutiny of other companies, such as Uber, for alleged misleading marketing of its subscription service, and LA Fitness for difficult gym membership cancellations. These actions signal a growing concern among lawmakers about the fairness of cancellation processes and customer consent in the subscription economy. Amazon's Prime service, priced at $14.99 monthly, offers benefits like free expedited shipping and access to streaming content. While the company attracts new users through enticing offers like get free same-day delivery, the FTC argues that the messaging is misleading. Customers may not fully comprehend that opting in for certain features would automatically enroll them in Prime, leading to subsequent monthly charges. Between 2017 and 2022, Amazon did experiment with clearer communication regarding subscription terms, but the FTC claims that management repeatedly rejected those proposals to prevent a drop in signups. Strikingly, the company only implemented significant changes in response to the FTC's investigation, suggesting a reactive rather than proactive approach to customer awareness and rights. An expert testifying for the FTC has indicated that approximately 40 million Amazon users were allegedly signed up for Prime without their informed consent. Furthermore, data cited by the FTC reveals that a significant number of users, tens of millions, abandoned the cancellation process before completing it, hinting at the challenges customers faced when attempting to opt out of the service. In light of these allegations, Amazon argues that the FTC is misinterpreting its internal attempts to enhance the user experience while stretching legal boundaries. The company insists that the Restore Online Shoppers Confidence Act, ROSCA, does not mandate that cancellation mechanisms be prominently featured or widely accepted. The upcoming trial is projected to last around a month, featuring testimonies from both customers and current or former employees of Amazon. Ultimately, a jury will decide if Amazon has indeed violated any laws. If the company is found liable, a judge will determine the penalties and the damages owed. One pivotal aspect of this case is the FTC's previous victory in court, which ruled that Amazon was in violation of ROSCA when it collected billing information before customers were informed of the terms and conditions associated with Prime. Furthermore, this ruling includes liability for 3 of Amazon's top executives, which could lead to deeper scrutiny of accountability at senior levels within the company. As this trial approaches, it raises significant questions. How transparent should companies be about subscription terms? Are current regulations sufficient to protect consumers from deceptive practices? We invite you to share your thoughts on these questions in the comments below. Do you think Amazon is guilty of misleading its customers, or is this a case of regulatory overreach? Let us know.